Hello, brilliant people. This is Jarbert Bergaza, and welcome to Jarbert Talks. In today's conversation, let's try to figure out the situation right now that is happening not only in the Philippines but in the entire world. I think you are aware. Left and right in the world right now, people are fighting against their government. Most of them, they're not satisfied with what is happening right now. How the people or politicians, for instance, run the government in a certain country. So it's not only exclusive in the Philippines because actually it's already happening in the entire world. Now, let's go back to the main question because somebody asked me if my chance ba na ang Philippines ay maging progressive in the future. Direct answer, no. There's no chance for the Philippines to improve, not only today and even in the future. Because you know what? In the Philippines, there's a great division between the two main groups of people. 'Di ba? Kung mapapansin ninyo, or kung ma-remember niyo sa inyong mga history lessons before, meron tayong concept ng divide and rule galing sa mga Spanish colony or colonizers, right? So, yan ay matagumpay na actually nagkaroon ng impact sa Philippines up until today. Because, the concept of division, right now, makikita mo kung gaano siya ka-manifested. Kasi nga, may nag-i-exist na dalawang grupo ng tao na marami ang members. We have Tagalog from the northern part and we have Bisaya or Cebuano from Visayas and Mindanao. Ngayon, kung makikita mo yung implementation, wala actually unification between the two groups. 'Di ba? Paano tayo uunlad kung ang magandang plano ng isang taong ito na hindi part ng grupo ninyo, sinisira ninyo? Ganun lang yan kasimple. You know what? I'm living in Taiwan for almost 2 years now and nakita ko kung gaano sila ka-united. That's why, no wonder, napaka-successful ng bansa nila. Pero yung Philippines, nag-aaway-away. Maganda yung plano ng Vice President, for example, sinisira ng mga opposition side. Okay? Hindi tinitingnan kung gaano kaganda yung goal. Okay, sabihin natin, hindi perfecto kasi may mukha niya doon. Then, remove the photo. Kung yan ang problema. 'Di ba? Kung may problema sa mga text kasi hindi naman talagang expose si Sara Duterte sa Filipino language, then try to improve. 'Di ba? Tulungan para mas paganda yung libro. Kasi ang purpose naman is ma-distribute sa mga kabataan. 'Di ba? It's a reading material. Tapos may mga teachers ako nakikita from the northern part, pinagtatawanan yung mga pictures kasi galing sa Canva. What's wrong? Canva is a great resources. I mean, designs in Canva, especially the pro account. I am using Canva every single day. Kasi napakaganda ng mga photos dyan. So what's wrong? So anong gusto nyong ipalabas? Kailangan yung mga pictures doon, yung mga designs is out of this world, hindi makikita sa buong mundo? Canva is also famous even in America. Hello? Ang taas ng standard ninyo, 10 million na ipapamahagi sa lahat ng mga bata all over the country. Pero kine-question ninyo. Pero yung mga 20 million na pinakain lang sa mga certain people, wala kayong imik. Yung ibang mga issues na billions ang pinag-uusapan, you don't have any words to say. Kasi they are coming from the northern part of the country. Diba, ganun kabayas. Ako, I can really relate. Kasi minsan din akong naging SSG advisor sa isang high school before. And because they don't like me, okay? Kasi hindi nila ako gusto na ako yung maging advisor, sinisira nila ang aking mga proposals. Yun ang nararamdaman ko ngayon kay VP Sara. Maganda ang goal, but because ayaw nila na kuminang siya, kasi baka in the future, she will be the next president of the country. So ngayon, sisirain nila ang image ni Sara Duterte para hindi talaga siya manalo sa 2028 election. Ganun lang yung kasimple. It's not about the proposal. It's not about the money kung paano ginamit. Kasi sabi, tax ng tao, pera ng taong bayan. Well, that's true. Pero bakit hindi kayo nag-react ng ganyan katodo nung mga nakaraang paggamit ng pera na wala ding mga silbi? Diba? It's so biased, unfair. Dahil ba siya ay from Mindanao? Dahil ba siya ay Bisaya? Kaya ganun ang tingin niyo sa kanya? So let's go back to my contention. May pag-asa ba na mag-umunlad ang Philippines in the future? No. As long as nag-exist ang division, as long as hindi natin maramdaman na we are one Philippines, one Filipino people, never ever tayong magiging successful as a country. Bye.